Dual employment profiles are rejecting now. Okay. If you have dual employment profiles, your BGV will not get succeed. MNCs, every organization will check your PF service history. Okay. Even though if they doesn't have access, they will ask you to share the snapshot of your PF service history, or they will ask live screen of your PF service history. Okay. Both the things will impact in your background verification process. If you want alternative suggestions, I will suggest you that is the only one way to join into the new organization. But you should not have offer in your hand. You need to go with my suggestions. You need to start search your job from my suggestions. If you have offer in your hand, my suggestions will not work positively. Okay. And don't ask me to edit the member ID. Don't ask me to edit the PF account. Don't ask me to delete the PF account. All three actions will not be possible in current situation. Okay. Only alternative suggestions will help you to join into the new organization. Okay. But if you hide your past service history, your HR people will identify easily. Simply they will fire you immediately. Okay. Nowadays getting opportunity is highly challenged. Even if you have better knowledge, your better knowledge will help you to select in the interview, but not achieving in the background verification process. Okay. So consulting fee is very huge. If you want alternative suggestions, you can approach to me. Once done your payment, we will discuss further. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.